The drone world is buzzing, and all eyes are turning toward DJI's latest tease, the DJI Air 4. Rumors started with a leaked image of what appears to be a prototype, and not just any prototype, but one that had apparently crashed during testing. At first glance, it might seem like a rough start, but the real story lies in the design details revealed. From a top-down perspective, the Air 4 looks sharper, bolder, and more purposeful than its predecessors. The lines are cleaner, the body appears more refined, and the arms look thicker than those of the Air 3, suggesting that DJI is aiming for a sturdier and more capable frame. These thicker arms may not just be for aesthetics or durability. Observers have speculated that they could house additional obstacle avoidance sensors, a feature that would mark a major step forward from the Air 3. While the Air 3 had decent obstacle detection, it wasn't comprehensive. If these leaks are accurate, the Air 4 could approach the intelligence and safety levels seen in DJI's premium Mavic drones, making it possible to navigate through forests, city streets, or tight, unpredictable spaces with confidence. This evolution hints that DJI is pushing the Air series into a new era, where flight autonomy and safety are just as important as portability and ease of use. Enhanced obstacle avoidance doesn't just make flying safer, it opens up new creative possibilities. Filmmakers, vloggers, and content creators could take advantage of smoother tracking shots, automatic navigation through dense environments, and fewer interruptions, allowing them to focus on storytelling instead of constantly adjusting controls. Imagine the freedom of filming cinematic sequences through tree-lined streets or crowded urban areas without worrying about collisions. For creators, this is a game-changer, enabling shots that were previously risky or impossible with mid-range drones. Of course, the camera remains the centerpiece of any DJI product, and rumors suggest the Air 4 will bring meaningful upgrades in this department. While official specifications haven't been confirmed, leaks hint at a larger sensor, potentially approaching the highly sought-after 1-inch class. A larger sensor would improve low-light performance, offer richer dynamic range, and capture finer details in scenes that transition from bright highlights to deep shadows. Even if DJI doesn't fully reach the 1-inch mark, insiders suggest the Air 4's camera will still surpass the Air 3's capabilities, catering to creators who prioritize video quality. Video performance seems to be the focus, with expectations of robust 4K recording, potentially at higher frame rates for slow-motion flexibility. Rumors also point to improved HDR and color profiles, delivering footage that is more vibrant and natural straight out of the camera, reducing the need for extensive post-production. DJI has been steadily refining in camera processing, which can save creators hours of editing and enable them to publish content more quickly. For travel vloggers, documentary filmmakers, and YouTubers, these improvements could be particularly impactful, allowing them to capture polished, professional-looking footage with minimal fuss. Battery life, another critical aspect of any drone, is rumored to see upgrades as well. The thicker arms of the Air may accommodate a larger battery, or DJI might be implementing more efficient motors. Either way, the result could be longer flights and better stability in challenging conditions like wind or tight maneuvering scenarios. This evolution highlights DJI's approach: incremental but meaningful improvements that enhance the user experience without compromising the balance between portability and power that makes the Air series so beloved. Pilots appreciate that the Air drones offer professional-grade features without overwhelming complexity. They're lightweight enough for travel but strong enough for serious work. Predicting a release date remains tricky. Leaks suggest anything from late 2025 to early 2026. DJI's strategy has traditionally been cautious. They allow current models to thrive before introducing a compelling new option, avoiding self-competition. Pricing is equally speculative, but most analysts expect the Air 4 to sit slightly above the Air 3 in cost while remaining below the flagship Mavic line. This sweet spot has always defined the Air series: powerful enough for pros, practical enough for travelers. The Air 4 appears poised to continue this tradition while adding smarter features, stronger performance, and a more refined design. Even if it's not revolutionary, it seems like a thoughtful, well-balanced evolution. For existing Air 3 owners, the Air 4 might not feel like a must-have upgrade. But for anyone seeking a compact, capable, and reliable mid-range drone, it's shaping up to be an enticing option. If the leaks hold true, it could redefine what the mid-range category means, offering a perfect blend of performance, safety, and creative freedom. Meanwhile, DJI isn't stopping with drones. The Pocket 4 has also been revealed, addressing some of the frustrations of the previous Pocket 3. Most notably, it introduces a dedicated physical zoom button and a customizable function button, which may seem small but dramatically improves usability. Zooming on the Pocket 3 relied on touchscreen gestures, which often interrupted shots or caused accidental taps. The physical zoom button solves this problem entirely, allowing smooth, uninterrupted framing, even while filming. The function button adds another layer of control. A single press can recenter the gimbal, switch follow modes, or lock exposure, turning complex actions into simple, instinctive gestures. The Pocket 4 also appears slightly longer than the Pocket 3, likely to accommodate a larger battery, estimated at around 1,545 mAh, a roughly 20% increase. In practice, this translates to longer recording sessions at 4K 120 frames per second without the constant worry of running out of power, giving creators the confidence to keep filming without interruption. The box reveals another critical detail: the FCC ID OP041. With new FCC restrictions on DJI approvals taking effect in late 2025, any product not cleared before the deadline faces serious hurdles in the US market. The standard Pocket 4 cleared just in time, ensuring it can be legally sold and supported. Interestingly, there's no FCC filing for a Pocket 4 Pro, which suggests that either it wasn't ready before the deadline, or it may not meet current regulations. This explains previous leaks of dual-camera setups and confirms DJI's cautious approach. Release what can be guaranteed, prioritize reliability over flashy features, and ensure compliance. The Pocket 4 isn't aimed at spec chasers. It's designed for creators who value control, endurance, legal certainty, and consistent long-term support. Image quality alone might not justify upgrading from the Pocket 3, but the enhanced usability, longer battery life, and confirmed 4K capabilities make the Pocket 4 a smart, deliberate release. In essence, DJI is emphasizing trust over hype. The Pocket 4's finalized creator combo packaging, leaked by Igor Bogdanov, confirms that the product is complete, with accessories and pricing finalized. It's ready to ship. The hardware may feel familiar, still using a 1-inch sensor, which could disappoint those hoping for a major leap in image quality, but the real innovation lies in how users interact with the device. DJI has prioritized intuitive, responsive controls and longer recording sessions, demonstrating thoughtful evolution rather than superficial upgrades. Taken together, DJI's latest announcements show a company refining its tools for creators, balancing innovation with practicality. The Air 4 promises stronger flight intelligence, improved obstacle avoidance, better video performance, and longer battery life, potentially setting a new standard for mid-range drones. Meanwhile, the Pocket 4 focuses on usability, endurance, and reliability, addressing key frustrations from its predecessor while ensuring compliance with evolving regulations. Both products highlight DJI's careful, deliberate approach, incremental but impactful improvements that enhance the user experience without unnecessary gimmicks. For creators, these releases signal exciting possibilities. The Air 4 could unlock more complex, cinematic shots with confidence, while the Pocket 4 enables smoother, uninterrupted handheld filming. DJI isn't chasing the flashiest specs, but is instead focused on delivering tools that professionals and enthusiasts alike can rely on. Whether flying through a dense forest, capturing a cityscape at golden hour, or documenting a fast-paced adventure, These products are designed to empower creativity while minimizing stress and risk. Ultimately, the Air 4 and Pocket 4 demonstrate DJI's commitment to thoughtful, user-centered design. They show a company that listens to its community, prioritizes real-world functionality over flashy features, and continues to push the boundaries of what mid-range drones and compact cameras can do. For anyone looking for a dependable, powerful, and versatile creative tool, these releases suggest that DJI is offering exactly that. Products that strike a rare balance between performance, intelligence, and freedom.